Have you ever had a project that you really wanted to make, but for unknown reasons, you just don't ever get started, you don't ever make the project? This is an introduction to what I hope will be a series of short videos, the purpose of which is to help me get a project done. So these videos are more for me than they are for you. Just recently, I saw something that I really want to make. I've decided I do really want to try and get this project finished. As per normal project management techniques, I'm breaking down the project into very small steps, and I'm trying to do just something very little towards getting the project done every day or every few days. Making these videos is part of that, kind of making a commitment to myself, holding myself accountable to actually do something on this project every now and then, so that hopefully eventually I end up with the project actually finished. Has this ever happened to you? I don't know why I'm procrastinating so much on doing this project. It's something I really want to make. So that's not the issue. But the procrastination fairies are dumping their procrastination fairy dust all over me, and I'm finding it so hard to get this project started even. If this is you, maybe I can inspire and motivate you to make some small steps towards your own project as well. Let's see. Will I ever get this project finished? Will you get your project finished? I hope this provides both of us with a little bit of motivation and we get there in the end.